To enter a promo code on Airbnb, start by going to the Airbnb website or opening the Airbnb app on your mobile device. Once you have accessed the platform, begin by searching for the listing you want to book. You can do this by entering your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests in the search bar. After finding the listing you want to book, click on it to view its details. On the listing page, you will see a button that says Book or Request to Book. Depending on the type of listing, before you click this button, make sure you have your promo code ready. To apply the promo code, you will need to click on the Book button, which will take you to the booking summary page. On this page, you will see a section that says Apply Promo Code or Coupon. Click on this link to open the promo code field. Enter your promo code in the field provided, making sure to type it in exactly as it appears, including any uppercase or lowercase letters and numbers. After entering the promo code, click the Apply button to apply the discount to your booking. If the promo code is valid, you will see the discount amount deducted from the total cost of your booking. You can then review your booking details, including the discounted price, and proceed to pay for your booking. It is essential to note that not all promo codes can be used on all listings. So make sure to check the terms and conditions of the promo code before attempting to apply it. Additionally, some promo codes may have expiration dates or other restrictions, so be sure to review these details before booking. By following these steps, you can easily enter a promo code on Airbnb and enjoy discounts on your bookings. Always remember to review the terms and conditions of the promo code and the listing details before completing your booking to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.